Hey guys, Steph here from North Shore Bronco. In today's video, I'm starting a new series on how to make your two-door Bronco more family friendly because I love my two-door Bronco. I don't want to get rid of it. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to add some grab handles. So I got these Bartact paracord grab handles. It's a US company. They're very well made. I just got them. I bought these myself. There's all sorts of colors. This one is Dozer yellow. It matches the Badlands yellow quite well, or the Badlands orange / yellow. You got two ways you can put them, dark side or the lighter side down. I think I'll put the dark side down. I like the small details. They go up here, so you got your two bolts here and they'll hang right down here. Some people are worried it might get in the way of your airbags, but it won't, because the airbags, these are curtain airbags and they deploy down. Shouldn't affect them. All you gotta do is use the same hardware. They're 8mm bolts. Take those out, put them back in, and that's it. So I'm gonna have the dark side down. Just gonna put the screw in, the other one in. So same hardware that came out, and I'm gonna put it back in. Just gotta turn my screwdriver the other way. As it gets tight, I just kind of pull down so that it'll be straight, just so it looks better. There. All done. I'm gonna get Jacob to see if it actually helps him. All right, bud, just come in like you'd come in, but now there's a handle up there. I just want to see if the handle's gonna make it easier for you to come in. Does that help?
Yeah.
You like it?
Get out.
Yeah, get out. Use the handle. Let's see. Oh, look at that! She actually jumped up. Yeah, no difference for the dog.
Do it like this on it. Go up, and then you grab it once your legs.
Oh, that's a good idea. There you go. Jacob's showing us how it's done. No, get out, get out. Do it again. Do it the way Jacob taught you.
Look, do that, and then put your foot up. Now grab it with your.
There. That's gonna help, eh?
Okay.
All right, well, my oldest, Jacob, he's pretty smart, so he kind of figured out a good technique on how to get in. I like the look of it. I'm happy with that, and I'm sure Amy Jo is gonna like it to get in as well, because if I can help it, I don't want to put any steps on this. It's the first time you jumped up like a big girl. I was gonna make a joke about the handles not helping the dog, and of course, now she figures she can jump up. I really like these. So Bartact.com, I'll leave a link in the description. They look great, lots of great colors, great service. There's gonna be more videos in this series about how to make the Bronco family friendly. Stay tuned, lots more to come. Thanks for watching, we'll see you next time.